Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey, Bingo, and Peppa Pig eating ice cream together. Do you want to know why they are sharing ice cream today? Can you guess? Is it a special treat on a sunny day, a picnic surprise, or maybe a little celebration? Imagine holding a cold, sweet ice cream in your hand. What flavor would you pick? It was a bright and cheerful afternoon. Bluey and Bingo were waiting outside the ice cream shop with Mom and Dad. Just then, Peppa Pig and her family walked by. "Peppa!" Bluey called happily. Peppa waved her little hand. "Hello, Bluey! Shall we eat ice cream together?" Bingo clapped. "Yes, yes!" Children, clap your hands 3 times with Bingo. Clap, clap, clap. They all went inside, eyes wide at the colorful flavors. There was chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mint, even rainbow swirls. Bluey asked, "Which one should I pick?" Kids, which flavor would you choose if you were standing with them? Bingo chose strawberry, Peppa picked chocolate, and Bluey went for rainbow swirl. The shopkeeper handed them cones, cool and shiny. "Careful," Mum said. "Don't let it melt too fast." Dad chuckled. "Or the ground will get a treat before you do." Children, pretend you are holding an ice cream cone. Lick it slowly, sweet and cold. They sat together on a bench outside, sunshine warming their fur and skin. "This is so yummy," Bingo said, taking a big lick. Bluey smiled. "It tastes like a rainbow in my mouth." Peppa giggled. "Mine is chocolatey and creamy." Like this video and subscribe my channel. The friends began a silly game. "Who can take the tiniest lick?" Bluey asked. Bingo stuck out her tongue carefully. Peppa laughed and tried too. "Now who can take the biggest lick?" Dad teased. Bluey leaned forward and almost got ice cream on her nose. Children, can you pretend to lick your cone with a tiny lick, then a big silly one? Suddenly, a drop of melted ice cream slid down Bluey's paw. "Oh no!" she cried, then quickly licked it up. Peppa giggled. "It's racing down like a waterfall," Bingo said. "Quick, eat faster!" Everyone laughed, their cones shrinking with every lick and bite. When the last bites were gone, the friends leaned back, happy and full. Mum said softly, "The best part of ice cream is sharing it together," Dad added, "and making memories sweeter than sugar." Children, hug yourself gently now, like wrapping sweetness around your heart. The sun glowed golden as the day grew calm. Bluey, Bingo, and Peppa held hands, smiling wide. "This was the best ice cream day ever," Bluey whispered. Friends, wave your hands with Bluey, Bingo, and Peppa slow and warm, saying goodbye with love and sweet smiles.